Recording.
I'm back. This is US28. We're headed to Highlands, North Carolina. Brand new pavement. We are leaving the Chattahoochee National Forest right now. Look how nice this pavement is. This pavement is smooth and dirty. Dirty being the key word here. I am not going to throw away a Ducati 848 with 70,000 miles on it because I got overzealous and thought that it would handle a dirty road like this. We haven't had rain in weeks. Once we do get some rain, this is going to be a race track. This road is smooth. It is so smooth compared to the tar snakes that it had on it just months ago. I'm going to say this road has been full of tar snakes for at least the last 15 years, all the way up to the county line up here. Whosever idea it was to repave this road, they get a thumbs up in my book. They deserve a pay raise. This is the same 28 that you see in my other videos that I typically ride to Deals Gap on. And I've told y'all, pull out of the Deals Gap store and make a left and just follow the 28 signs. There are some beautiful waterfalls on this road. There's plenty of pull-offs. Bridal Veil Falls is on this road, a little bit north of Highlands, North Carolina. If you're sneaky, you can pull your motorcycle past the barricades and get a quick picture. Don't hang out there though. If the police see you, they get upset. But you know why I love this road right now, right? This is just amazing. This is amazing, this road right now. I don't know if in the 35 years I've been riding this area that I've ever seen this road in this great condition. It's a whopping 62 degrees and it looks like it's 8:15 in the morning. I'm guessing they're going to do some expansion here because they're putting in a brand new fire department. You put in new pavement, and all these tourists that come to Highlands, North Carolina to waste their money, they think you're taking care of the area. They move in here fast. And like I said, this road has been terrible forever. I think the first time I rode this, it was probably about 1996. It was good then. I don't remember it being good from about 2010 on though. That guy's moving in his little Ranger. Look what a beautiful morning this is. I'm hoping to take this road all the way up to Deals Gap today. Then I'm going to turn around and go home. It should be just before noon when I get home. And I can start working on my honey-do list. On vacation right now. This is the longest vacation I've ever taken. The company I work for used to only give us 2 weeks a year. And last year they upped it to employees over 6 years. Now I get 5 weeks vacation, so instead of quitting my job, I figured I'd work another year to see what it's like to have 5 weeks off in a year. This is my second week here. I took a week off during spring break. I think I took a week off in August and a week off in September. And I might take a week off for Christmas. I haven't, that 5th week I haven't put it on the calendar yet. But I'm old and I'm ready to retire. Here we are, we're now in Highlands Fire District. The good pavement stopped. This pavement never, it was always pretty good. It was just that southern section that they just didn't maintain. Yeah, we're headed into Highlands, North Carolina, and you see the road to Highlands is pretty nice. There's another road that goes to Highlands also. It comes out of Clayton, Georgia, and kind of goes straight to Highlands. It's kind of twisty, but it is not as good as this one. That is the brand new Nissan Frontier 4x4. They did not pay up and get the Pro 4X. Pro 4X is the way to go. I have a Nissan Titan Pro 4X. And it is a nice truck. I've owned 5 of those Frontiers, and I'm on my 3rd Titan. It's actually my wife's